ऐसा क्यों होता है कि बाल कभी टाइम पे कॉपरेट नहीं करते? Like when they should, they don't.
Because timing is not in our hands.
Like sometimes you wake up and your hair are just looking.
हाँ तो बस you capture them and then be happy for the rest of the day.
बात तो सही है.
And then when you have to go somewhere and they're just refusing to cooperate and you try everything. Hair spray, hair serum, curling your hair, straightening your hair. You wash your hair also, nothing works. Hello everybody, welcome to a freshly brewed episode of Mind Stands. Today I have a very amazing person with me.
Very amazing.
Yes, Manan is a wonderful writer. He has been writing for screen and I have seen Manan also do theatre. So he's a power pack of talent. And ever since I started following Manan, I've come to know that this is something that I really admire about you. How you have eye for details and you capture little things and then you share it with the world, and I absolutely just love it.
Thank you.
So thank you. Thank you for being here.
Thank
Hello,
you so
hi,
much.
how are you?
I'm good. I'm wonderful. I'm at peace. Yeah.
ये बहुत टाइम बाद सुना है किसी से.
अभी बताया था यार मैंने तुम्हें 2 घंटे
अरे
पहले.
तुमसे ही सुना ना.
How are you?
I'm good.
You're good?
Yes.
Thanks.
Amazing. That's my default answer. But Manan,
Yeah.
I am very curious to know about your journey as a writer. And
Okay.
what does it entail for you and everything of
Okay.
Manan, a writer.
Okay. So basically I started as an actor when I was doing theatre in Ibtida, which is the Dramatic Society of Hindu College. So I started as an actor, and I started acting for Scoop Whoop, which
Okay.
in the year 2015.
Okay.
2015, that is like 9 years ago.
Yeah, that's
So I started
long back.
so I started as an actor, and
I was still in school then.
you were still in school.
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. हाँ, मैं second year में था अपने, ठीक है.
Yeah.
So I started as an actor, and then I just figured out while I was acting that I can only play myself on screen. I can only play myself, and I played myself well. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि acting खराब करता था, acting ठीक ठाक कर लेता था, but I used to play myself. And then there was this voice inside me which told me that I wouldn't want to do that for the rest of my life. Like I would want to do acting, but अगर मैं खुद को ही play कर रहा हूँ बार-बार, I just don't want to be that person who does that
Yeah.
for the rest of their life. तो फिर मैंने सोचा कि यार I really improvise really well. While I'm acting, I improvise really well, and I think that improvisation is a part of writing.
Yeah.
है ना. तो मुझे लगा कि अच्छा मुझे लिखना चाहिए. ऐसा भी नहीं लगा कि मैं लिख लेता हूँ, है ना, because I didn't want to think something as a second option. I was changing my first option instead.
Yeah.
तो फिर मुझे लगा कि मुझे लिखना चाहिए, and then I gained confidence in my third year when I just took part in the writing of our stage production and street production in college. So that is what gave me confidence that I can do this.
Yeah. This is going to be my next question, that what do you think would be the reason behind this, the fear of calling yourself a writer?
I think it's not a fear. I think, I don't know, डर तो नहीं है. It's not a डर कि अरे भाई सामने वाले को पता लग जाएगा कि मैं राइटर हूँ. ऐसा नहीं है. I think it's the utmost responsibility of being a great one. है ना, कि हाँ यार मतलब मैं राइटर हूँ, है ना, कि मतलब वो होता है ना कि जब आप कुछ इतना ऐसा लिख देते हो और जो शायद से इतना वैलिडेट हो जाता है.
Yeah.
I think that validation, personally, I feel that validation is very important for me to call myself a writer, है ना. अभी तक मैंने जितना लिखा है वो ठीक ठाक लिखा है, और कभी कभी मुझे भी याद नहीं रहता कि मैंने क्या क्या लिखा है, तो which is I think a good thing only. मतलब एक काम करो, भूल जाओ, दूसरा करो. But I don't want to be this person. I want to be a person who is attached to their writing and who is so in love with their writing that they're proud to say that okay, I'm a writer. Till then I'm just trying. Yeah.
That's very interesting.
Yeah.
यही नहीं, अभी और सुनिए.
The journey has been great. It gives me immense pleasure to write. I love the sound of the keys doing tick 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 when I'm writing, and I just love sitting with myself a lot. तो मुझे राइटिंग का वो पार्ट जो काफी लोगों को बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगता है, that brings in the loneliness, that brings in solitude. I love that part. मतलब वो मुझे डराता नहीं है. Like I really like doing that. I love sitting with myself and thinking things through. तो हाँ, that is the process. That is the part of the process I love the most.
Have you ever been afraid of the end result? Like, what happens is, this is what I'm assuming, that what happens is when we are writing something, we imagine it a certain way, but it may or may not turn out the way we thought it would. And I think that brings a lot of disappointment. Sometimes it also brings self-doubt. I'm sure it's different for everybody. But have you been in that situation? How have you dealt with that?
यार, एंड रिजल्ट ना, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप जब लिखते हो तो आप एक सीन में इतना इन्वॉल्व होते हो, या आप एक मतलब देयर आर डेज व्हेन यू आर जस्ट स्टक ऑन वन डायलॉग, है ना, दैट आई एम नॉट गेटिंग दिस डायलॉग राइट. तो एंड रिजल्ट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कभी कभी एंड रिजल्ट सिर्फ वो डायलॉग बन जाता है, कभी कभी एंड रिजल्ट वो पूरी स्क्रिप्ट होती है ना. और एंड रिजल्ट एक स्क्रिप्ट का तो फिल्म ही है ना, है ना. और उसमें जब एक स्क्रिप्ट फिल्म बनती है तो वो एंड रिजल्ट फिल्म माना जाता है उस स्क्रिप्ट का, है ना. और उस एंड रिजल्ट में इतने सारे चेंजेस होते हैं, इतने सारे कोलैबोरेटर्स होते हैं. देयर इज अ डायरेक्टर इन्वॉल्वड, देयर इज अ म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर इन्वॉल्वड, देयर आर एक्टर्स इन्वॉल्वड, है ना. so many things happen on the set that sometimes make the thing you are trying to say great, and sometimes the other way around, है ना. But if we talk about the end result of a script, I personally, so my process is a little different. I go to the laptop, I go to typing out the script once I am very sure of the fact that okay, this is what I want to write. And processes change time to time, but this has been very constant since day one कि I write it out all on the paper. मैं सारा कुछ पेपर पे लिखता हूँ कि ये एंट्री एग्जिट ऐसा वैसा, ये डायलॉग वो डायलॉग. एंड once I'm very sure of the fact that okay, now I can type it out, now I know I'll be able to make something out of it. क्योंकि जब आप उस पेपर से भी टाइप करने जाते हो लैपटॉप पे तो भी सब कुछ चेंज हो जाता है. सब कुछ चेंज हो जाता है. मतलब when you are writing a scene, you don't know where the dialogue start coming from. तो फिर आप वो कॉपी पे जो आपने लिखा होता है वो आप भूल जाते हो. You only refer to it for the scenes. तो हाँ, मतलब तो फिर अगर उस, बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर उस पेपर पे एंड रिजल्ट अच्छा आ गया ना, उस पेपर पे मुझे इतना कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया कि अच्छा अब मैं लिख लूंगा, देन द एंड रिजल्ट इज फेयर. मतलब इट्स गुड, इट्स ओके, इट्स नॉट बैड. और फर्स्ट ड्राफ्ट यूजुअली बैड ही होते हैं. मतलब फर्स्ट ड्राफ्ट्स आर यूजुअली बैड, वो खराब ही होते हैं. और अगर वो अच्छे लग रहे हैं तुम्हें तो मतलब शायद से तुमने कुछ गलत किया है. तो हाँ, सीरियसली मतलब अगर तुम्हें अपना फर्स्ट ड्राफ्ट बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ना,
हाँ.
तो थोड़ी गड़बड़ है फिर. तो मुझे लग रहा है कि थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है.
You being Delulu.
Yeah, that is how, if that is how we say it.
It's the new Gen Z term.
I don't know that. I don't know any of it.
Being Delulu is the Salulu.
I am not aware of it.
It's okay. I'll keep sending you the new Gen Z terms. I'm somewhere in the middle of the generation.
अच्छा.
So I am also a millennial, but I'm also a Gen Z. Being born in 1998, this is what happens.
ऐसा ये सब भी होता है क्या?
Yeah. I relate to both, but I also relate to none. But keeping up with the trend. So yeah, being Delulu is the Salulu sometimes.
Nice. But we are talking about the end result.
Yeah.
यार end result.
It's not just you who gets distracted. हाँ.
End result ना मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि because there are so many factors to it.
Yeah.
So many factors you don't even know. है ना? तो मैं इतना अटैच नहीं होता हूँ end result से.
Oh.
Yeah. Like what is my job? My job is to deliver a script which I feel is good to go.
Yeah.
Which my director feels is good to go, and which my producer feels is good to go. Of course, the actors too. So when all of the whole team is on the page that okay, the script is good to go, मुझे लगता है मेरा end result वहीं तक ही है.
I'm just curious that when Manan looks around and sees things, what are the thoughts that are coming to you that you feel like, oh, this needs to be captured? Does that make sense?
यार it does make sense of course.
I'm
मतलब
just-
मतलब ऐसी ही होती है photography. Okay, this is the moment I need to capture.
Yeah.
But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it comes to me so naturally
हाँ.
that there is no thinking time in it.
Yeah, that's what I'm curious about. Like, anyway.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब मैं भी अभी सोच रहा हूँ इस बारे में. अगर like when you are telling this to me, I am also taking time now to think about it. I don't know. मतलब it's just that I don't create an effect and then click it. है ना? मतलब I am not putting too much time in it कि इसको ऐसे 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 और फिर मैं खींचूंगा because obviously the other person wants to have food too, है ना? क्योंकि अगर खाना टेबल पे है तो mostly these are food pictures only.
हाँ.
And flowers
And coffee.
and coffee and मतलब हाँ जो भी मतलब रोजमर्रा की चीजें हैं, है ना? मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड क्लिक कर लिया. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वी आर ऑल लुकिंग फॉर रेजोनेंस अराउंड अस.
Yeah.
है ना? कि okay, this is something I resonate with. Okay, this is something I resonate with. And resonance, I feel, is two similar energies meeting. है ना? कि and there is this comfort in it.
Yeah.
There's a sense of comfort in it. कि oh, this is जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना कि this is so me.
Yeah.
है ना? और वो हम तभी बोल सकते हैं when you know yourself. When you know this is you. है ना? When you know the inner part, that is how you can tell that okay, in externality this is me. है ना? So there's a connect, there's a resonance. And if I talk about my Instagram is not for people. ठीक है? It's not for people, it's my scrapbook. It's my little scrapbook. जो होता था ना कि जब आपको स्क्रैप बुक बनाने के लिए बोला जाता था, सो यू यूज्ड टू गो टू अ स्टेशनरी शॉप, यू collected all those sparkles and sprinkles and glues and tapes, and then you created something you resonated with. So I am also always looking out for things that I resonate with, and I click it because it gives me comfort.
Yeah.
When I look at them, it gives me comfort. And if today you are saying that it does the same to you too, that means you're my audience.
Yeah.
है ना? And it is the same with films. It is the same with stories that you write. That you write what you resonate with.
Yeah.
You tell what you resonate with. You tell what you want to hear. That is where the release is.
Yeah.
है ना कि हाँ यार मैंने ऐसी फिल्म आज तक नहीं देखी है तो मैं ही बना लेता हूँ.
Yeah.
है ना.
Like the more I talk to you, the more I'm thinking ki what is happening in your brain?
What is happening in my brain?
How has this the ability to not think so much, to actually go with the flow, and to be in the moment but also be free of the moment. I think that's a very unique power. I think that's an understatement, but a lot of people, including me, I don't think I have that. I'm very conscious of things. I'm very I try not to be, but I am, where I'm just constantly thinking of what, why, where, how, figuring out things, and then I think I sometimes miss out the moments just because I'm thinking so much.
नहीं, if it is happening sometimes, then it is nature. मतलब if it is happening a lot of times, then I think it might be a problem.
A problem. हाँ.
मतलब अगर कभी कभी हो रहा है तो कभी कभी तो सब जोन आउट होते हैं यार. मतलब वो तो ह्यूमन नेचर है.
It's not zoning out. I think it's just being so stuck in the process, like just the thought of the process, like I would. अभी जैसे ये हुआ था कि I was trying to click this. Sun was crossing these vines and looked amazing.
Ooh, it was so French.
It was French. And it looked very pretty, okay? But I think I looked at it, I observed it, and I tried to click a picture of it, and I was just like, no, this should be like this. And I'm like, huh. And this is a constant dialogue in my head, okay? There are like just me talking to myself about, no, like, stop. It's frustrating. Do you have that kind of conversation in your head?
यार वो ना मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कभी कभी ऐसा होता है that what we create, because हमें क्रिएट करते हुए टाइम ही कितना हुआ है. मतलब आपको मेरे ख्याल से 3 साल 4 साल, आपको 3-4 साल हुए होंगे, मुझे 6 साल हुए हैं स्क्रीन राइटिंग करते हुए, और उससे पहले जो भी हमने कॉलेज में किया वो किया. So sometimes, and most of the times, what happens is that what we create, we compare it to what we like.
Yeah.
अब जैसे मुझे इंटरस्टेलर बहुत अच्छी लगती है, and if I write a movie and if I start comparing it to Interstellar or my own taste, है ना, कभी कभी आपको ऐसा लगता है ना कि यार ये जो मैंने किया है ये मेरे टेस्ट का नहीं है ना. मतलब जो मैं देखता हूँ और जो मैंने बनाया है, they are not at par.
Yeah.
है ना. मतलब the things I like are so much better than the things I am doing, but we just forget कि जो हम देख रहे हैं या जिसने वो बनाया है, उनकी जर्नीज क्या रही हैं और हमारी जर्नी क्या है ना. एंड वी आर ऑन दैट कांस्टेंट जर्नी ऑफ रीचिंग वेयर दे आर, रीचिंग, मैचिंग आवर टेस्ट, है ना. बट we just forget that we have just started. We are just 5-6 years into it. और जिन्होंने शायद से इंटरस्टेलर बनाई है, वो शायद से बचपन से कैमरा लेके घूम रहे थे, या बचपन में ही उन्होंने ऐसी फिल्म्स देखी थी, और हमने बचपन में देखा है सूर्यवंशम, है ना. तो that is what I'm saying, कि when you think about the end result, there are so many factors involved. You don't even know them.
Yeah.
है ना. कि उनकी क्या इमेजिनेशन है जो वो लोग वो बना पा रहे हैं, हमारी क्या इमेजिनेशन है, हम अपनी इमेजिनेशन से, हम अपने एक्सपीरियंस से जो क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, वो हमें अच्छा लग रहा है उस दायरे में, वो शायद से हमें देखना चाहिए.
Yeah.
अगर हम उसको कंपेयर करेंगे with the things that we like watching, then we might get disappointed most of the times, है ना.
how has this been, or what's your take on pursuing art, your passion as your profession? How has your journey been with it? And B, if there's anybody out there who wants to do it, because we are at the end of it, we are living in a capitalist world,
Of
right?
course.
What's a piece of advice that you would like to share?
यार पीस ऑफ एडवाइस तो ठीक है, देखते हैं अगर आती है तो क्योंकि अगर कोई मेरे पास होती तो मैं खुद को ही दे देता. मैं ये बता रहा था दैट आई वॉज वेरी क्लियर सिंस डे वन दैट आई वॉन्ट टू मेक कमर्शियल थिंग्स. आई वॉन्ट टू फाइंड माई ओन वे ऑफ डूइंग इट कमर्शियली, एंड हेंस आई take the producers very seriously because they know more than me, two, they know the business more than me.
Yeah.
If someone today tells me that we want to add a song in this part of the script, I can't say no because I am a creator, I am an individual creator. They are paying me money to make the film. है ना? I just have to come back home and think how I would want that song to be there.
Yeah.
है ना? जैसे उस दिन, like the other day I was listening to an interview by Chris Nolan. He said that when I went to the producers, they wanted a Batmobile in the Batman movie because they wanted to sell more toys. है ना? अगर बैटमोबाइल नहीं होगी तो उनके टॉयज कैसे बिकेंगे? एंड ही सेड दैट आई डिडंट, इट वाज नेवर इन द प्लान कि मैं बैटमोबाइल डालूंगा उसमें, बट ही केम बैक होम एंड ही डिड इट हिज ओन वे. एंड इफ यू सी द मूवी एंड इफ यू, जैसे अब तो हर साल एक आधी बारी लग जाती है हॉल में, तो अगर आपको कभी वो मूवी हॉल में देखने का मौका मिले अभी कभी भी नेक्स्ट, just go and watch the film and see how people shout when the Batmobile enters the screen. So that is,
I've seen that.
yeah, so that is when a writer, a creator came back home and did what the producers wanted him to do because he respects them. They are paying him money to make the film. Like the wounds of your heart never heal. Rather I thought that where art can help, where art should help, is to love the same with those wounds. You get what I'm saying?
You know, when you are heartbroken and then you watch a film and then you maybe cry, I feel that that's the comfort that we are trying to seek, and we find it in films, because it just, how we were talking about resonance,
कि comfort film है.
हाँ, comfort film है. And I think that comfort is what helps you heal. अब जब हमें physical injury होती है, you know, जब हम बचपन में साइकिलिंग सीखते थे, हर किसी के यहाँ पे छिलता था, घुटने छिलते थे सबके, and you know, eventually the wound heals but the scar stays. And I think this is what I believe, that this is how it is with our wounds of the heart. Ki we do heal, we do you know, learn how to cope with it, and the scar might stay, because even when we heal, we still have doubts before, you know, we get our heart broken, we feel that we're moved on, but we still hesitate before we trust somebody. You know, it's always there somewhere in the back of our mind where we're just like, yeah, I'm scared to get my heart broken again, but I'm still out there again. And I think that is what healing is, where we can actually go out and put ourselves.
Exactly.
And yeah, I think that's a different you know, meaning of healing for both of us, but we are talking about.
नहीं, I think it's the same only.
Yeah.
मतलब तुमने भी same ही बात करी है. You just changed the word from healing to scar.
On that note. Thank you so much, Manan, for being here.
You're welcome. Thank you for inviting me.
Brilliant conversation with you. I learned so much from you, and
likewise.
It was amazing. And
it was amazing. Yes.
I don't think this I wish we could have included the conversation we had before this as
Yeah,
well.
that was better, no?
It was just insightful. It was so good. But so is this. And
I hope you, because you were listening, so you know better.
I listen. I think you are such a great conversationalist.
Do you think so?
Yeah, it was. Again, there were so many insights, and I got a lot to learn from you. And I'm sure that
Thank you so much.
everybody who listens to this will also have something to take away from this.
I just hope. क्योंकि मुझे भी दोबारा सुनना पड़ेगा ये. Like I also like remember none of it. So I'll also listen to it again and see
Done. So
if the things I've said are
okay.
what you say they are.
So you would like to listen to the final product, or?
Of course I would.
Okay. Okay. On that note, I shall see you again very soon. Can you please ask them to like, share, subscribe, comment? Oh, do the.
Of course.
Everybody, we have Manan.
Hi, I'm Manan. I've been writing for the last 6 years. This is Parnika, and she is a great host, and she just talks about things that are important, and that made me feel like there was a certain kind of release that happened after this conversation. So I would just love for you to listen to everything she has to say and the people she talks to have to say, and like, share and subscribe
and comment, and yes, that is so nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Such nice words. Kuch ho gaya. But yes, see you soon. Okay, bye.
Bye. Toodles.